Hey, Tim Flanagan, Ski Profit. We're here with the ski gear test team. Fred Dery.
Fearless Fred Dery.
Fearless Fred Dery. We ran into Joe Dunn, who's with Blizzard Ski USA. You and I rode up the lift together at Mount Hood last summer, right? So
beautiful sunny day.
Fearless and I got to test ride this Blizzard 6.8. What else is it called?
Blizzard 6.8 R-Power. Race-inspired power, carbon fiber rods, damp through the piston plate. It's a hardcore, aggressive, super fast, fun, agile GS ski.
But now, this isn't race stock GS, right? This is more of a gentleman's GS, like a master's type.
Yep, a little bit tighter of a radius. You're not having to follow the FIS regulations. You're at 21 meter in the 174. Fun, easier to ski, but still just as powerful.
So Fred and I skied this Blizzard in a 1 3/4 meters length. It's actually a 174 to be exact. And what are the dimensions, Joe?
That's a 113 tip, 68 underfoot, 97 in the tail for a 17.5 meter radius.
Yeah, and you can cheat this thing a little bit into shorter turns. It was kind of fun because it's snappy enough at the end of the turn. So guys, get to a Blizzard dealer next season. Check out this 2013 model. Joe, it's good to see you again. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you, Joe.
Thank you.
Fearless. Make some turns.